Okay guys, I'm so sad because freaking my VR will not turn on. We have been holding the button for like almost 5 minutes and it still won't turn on. It's not dead because it shows that it's at 100%. We do not know what to do, so I might not be able to upload, but I will be making little shorts and stuff, but I won't be able to upload actual videos. Also, you guys always get my shorts to like a bunch of views. Why don't you guys try to get my regular videos to a bunch of likes and views? That would be really helpful. But yeah, I think I broke my VR, so I don't know what's wrong with it. We will try to fix it, and I will let you guys know if it works again. Bye.